welcome today, everybody. It's your boy Skr. Hey, Revitalize. Kick shout out to the RKG, the Revitalize Kicks Gang, man. Y'all know what time it is. Today we are lit. I'm doing a video, so listen. If you watch any of my old videos, or if you're a new sub, shout out to all the new subs, or hit that sub button. But if you watch any of my old videos, I said I was gonna do a room tour for a million years, and I had to buy everything to do the room, so I just never got to do it. But it's almost complete, and this is more of my desk tour, but I want to show you guys my room a little bit, so it's like a sneak peek. It's really like a room tour, but it's just a sneak peek, so I'm not gonna go in depth. But I want to show you guys my desk area, so I'm gonna get to the desk last. So when you walk in my room, here's my door. I want to show you guys everything. So you walk in, you see my door and stuff like that. And I have like Hypebeast stuff, Supreme, and sneakers, because I'm a sneakerhead. And I was into buying Supreme, but I haven't really been buying it that much. And if you see that in the background, then you know. But step over there real quick so I can show them this. Alright, you guys, over here, look, check out the shelf. We got like my bread ones, my Yeezys, and stuff like that. And then New York Giants, Toon Squad, Space Jam, and up here, this is my highest achievements. That's why it's high, because it's my high school diploma, prom king, stuff like that. But this stuff is not finished, that's why I'm not showing too much, and that's why there's empty space. I got my TV right here. I love this TV with like everything, and these lights keep falling off in the back, like they glow and everything, but I don't know why. They don't stick that well. Got my PlayStation and everything. Let's go over here. Right here we got the bed. And it's super low because this is a futon, and I like flip it up usually, and I play the game and sit up like this and stuff. Hold up, check out what's on feet today. Yes sir, I got the Air Max Plus, just real quick in case you were wondering. I like these shoes. But yeah, so it's a futon, it's small, and if I get a bed, then it takes up too much of my room because it needs a bed, what's that called? Frame, right? Yeah, bed frame. The bed frame, when I had one, it was taking up too much space, and then I don't like it covering the windows and stuff, so I just stuck with the futon, and I like the futon because I can sit up. But over here, we got the shoe rack, and this is what I was using for my background, but I don't like this right here. Check this. Get this for me. Like, I don't like this right here. I don't like this metal. I don't know. It hasn't been bothering me lately. But then we got my clothes. I got like Supreme bags and stuff over here. Hold on. And I gotta hit y'all with that free promo. Oh yeah, one last thing about these sneaker things. This is why I want to do like an actual room tour after this, is because I don't like this setup. And like the Adidas boxes and the Van boxes, I want to get rid of all of those. And some of the boxes are just like beat up. And some shoes you don't really care about the box. And I had no more space. You see I got a shoe here, and I got some shoes at my girlfriend's house because I ran out of space. But yeah, sir, check out the free promo right there. Yeah, shameless plug. We got my own custom, so go check it out. Link in the description. But anyways, that's that. And then up here we got my Supreme skate deck. And now let's get to the part that I made this video about, which is my desk area. Alright you guys, now this is the part that you have been waiting for, which I really like. I just made it a little bit brighter in here. You can show them behind the scenes real quick, sneak peek. Show them the light. So right here I got this light here, and then that light there. My fan, actually, you can show them this dusty bootleg fan. My fan, I don't know what happened. One day the power went out at my house, and then the people came to fix it, and they did a bootleg job, so that doesn't work. So I gotta use a lamp, and now I gotta use these light boxes. But anyways, check it out over here. Hopefully it's bright enough for you guys because I turned those on. So first thing first, we can start with this right here. I got a whole bunch of bags in here. And this is all like Supreme bags, OVO bags. I don't know why I still have them. I don't know. Am I a hoarder for that? Alright you guys, so right here is my Supreme collection. I really like this part right here. It's cool, it's simple. It has a few items, not way too much. Like right here we got the gloves. Then some stickers which actually aren't stuck. I can move them. And then I got this little box here. It has more stickers in it, Supreme stickers. And then I got like this part right here. I like this part a lot right here. This is my, like, it has a marker, the free ball, and then this cup. I really like this cup. I don't know why. I just feel like that cup is like artsy. And then we got the incense matches. This I got in my birthday vlog. Go check that out if you haven't. So we got my laptop right here. This is my laptop. It's a 2017 or 18 Nah, I'm capping. It's 2017. Let me stop trying to act cool.
Bruh.
Alright, so it came out like right before 2018, but I don't know why. I told him I wanted 2018. I didn't realize till after I bought it. Anyways, you guys don't care. So, check out right here. We got my bait bag. Let me move because I'm messing up the light. Alright, so we got my bait bag. If you want to know one thing about me, I like Supreme. It's cool, but it's like dying. To me, I don't really like it as much, but I love Bape. Bape I always like. I like it way more than Supreme. It's just more expensive. So right here we got this Bape mug that I also got in my birthday vlog. I love this so much, bro. And then I got this Stadium Goods mug I got in my birthday. This right here. Oh my goodness, this Supreme bouncy ball is cool. It's a wall ball. It's awesome. I really like that, but it doesn't match anything. Supreme poppy seeds. I don't really know why these are here, but it's Supreme, so you know, Hypebeast wave. My OVO lighter I got right there. And then this bait bag. This is one thing I don't like is the bait bag because it's a bag, but then I got the Cause toy in it, so it goes, I guess. Alright, now let me show you guys these parts right here. This is what I really like. I got this Astro World poster, and then I just put it in the frame. I ordered this off eBay, yeah, eBay for a couple dollars, so it's not like from his site. But I don't know why it has him if this is Astro World. Who knows? Anyways, and right here, I really like this one. This is my Supreme one. Fear of Black Planet. Oh my goodness, I cannot talk. Fear of a Black Planet Supreme poster. I really like this one because I used to want to be an astronaut, but it's like way too much work to be an astronaut. So, you know, my dreams of going out of space are crushed. So I could just look at this, and right here, this is what I love. I just added this yesterday, and now we can do this video. So I got my calendar, and this is what I really like. It's a dry erase calendar. You can like write whatever you want, and then you erase it. And then at the end of every month, I take a picture to look at stuff. You see I write like Valentine's Day, and then I really want to record like all the stuff that I get for my videos and what I'm gonna be doing. So those are video ideas, and then I like write down whenever I do the videos or when I'm supposed to do the videos, because I feel like that's most important. And let's just show you guys like what's inside the desk. In here, basically junk, my knife if I ever get to do an unboxing, and tape, basically nothing. Then under here we got, this is all my camera boxes for stuff that I bought. I just keep it, I don't know why, and like my receipts and everything I keep. And then my PlayStation that my sister broke, who's recording right now, so I'm gonna beat her up after this video. Bruh. And then under here we got my cable box. I don't really watch cable, bro. It's 2019, nobody watches cable. Only thing I will watch is Power. And bro, who watches cable? Bro, comment down below if you watch cable, because I know you don't. Nobody watches cable anymore. But with that being said, I really like this. It's cool setup, nice, simple. I feel like on camera it looks more like bland than it is in person, but it's like really nice. Everything is popping, and this is how I will be recording my videos. Let me know what you guys think of my setup, and I'll go over with all the editing and everything. Oh yeah, and one last thing, because I know you guys might have a few questions. So this here I bought off eBay. I bought it off Amazon, this desk. And let me know what you guys think of my desk setup. I'll do an in-depth room tour eventually. I'll do one soon. But thank you guys for watching. It's your boy Skirt, and I'm out. Peace.
Drizzy is hot as fuck.